I'm Bradley from Bayti Real Estate. Welcome to this beautifully upgraded 4-bedroom townhouse in Furjan East. Brand new wall features with lighting. As we walk into the property, on the right hand side you'll find your downstairs bedroom, very spacious. Built-in wardrobe. Then on the right hand side you have a laundry area, and then heading towards your downstairs bathroom with a fully fitted shower. On the left of that you have a large, spacious, closed kitchen with a serving window. Definitely one of the larger closed kitchens you'll find in the Furjan area. And then heading towards an open plan living and dining area. It's a large and beautiful space with a brand new property, very well maintained. From here on, you can head from the living area to the outside garden. This is a fully renovated and landscaped outside garden area with your wall lighting, grass, and a full sitting and barbecue area. It's a very beautiful property on the market for rent in Furjan. The property also has a built-up area of approximately 2,800 square feet. Now heading upstairs, you will find a very spacious upstairs living area. Beautiful and clean, with access to a large usable balcony. Heading towards the first bedroom, it's an ensuite bedroom with a shower, beautiful bathrooms, and a very spacious bedroom. As you see, this bedroom has 2 beds and an extra wardrobe in, and there's still more than enough space. All bedrooms does come with built-in wardrobe. This will be the second bedroom. Beautiful and spacious, and again has access to a balcony. This bedroom will also have its own ensuite bathroom, beautiful bathroom with a shower, and again built-in wardrobes. Heading into the master's bedroom, you have a walk-in wardrobe, a very spacious master's bedroom with access to a larger balcony. Very beautiful and spacious bedroom. Heading towards the master's bedroom ensuite bathroom through the walk-in wardrobe. With the renovations, you have extra storage cupboards with a bath and a shower. This is a brand new property on the market for rent in Furjan East. If you want any more information or want to schedule a viewing, please contact the details below.